Welcome back to Floki's Models. This is going to be a short video of an older build before I started recording for YouTube. This is AFV Club's 1/35th scale Rommel's Mammoth AEC Armored Command Car, kit number 35235. Rommel captured 3 of these in North Africa and used 2 for his own command, that he named Max and the other one Mortz. The figures are Master Box kit number 356 run, Rommel and German tank crew. The paints I used for building this are Tamiya and Vallejo, with MIG products used for weathering. The table and deck are made from balsa wood. This is the photo that I used for inspiration. Resin radio equipment that was included in the kit was painted using Vallejo paints. I used MIG ochre for weathering inside of the compartment. Small gauge wire was used to wire up all the radio equipment. AFV Club includes some really nice maps with the kit as well. This build had won 2nd place in the Armor Dioramas category at the 2020 IPMS Roscoe Turner, right before COVID hit. And here is some close-up shots. There was a map in Rommel's hand and a tarp underneath the one guy's arm, but they seem to have disappeared since I built this and last had it out. If you guys would like to see more short videos of my older builds like this, let me know down in the comments. I got a lot of builds to show. Of course, I'll keep making, building, and painting videos, but I lost all the footage of my current project and wanted to get something out to show all of you. Thanks for watching and staying tuned for many more videos to come.